Hey everyone, welcome to Tranquility Insights, your guide to relaxation and well-being. Today we're diving into the magical world of aromatherapy, crafting your own DIY essential oil blends to bring calm, peace, and serenity into your life. Aromatherapy isn't just about pleasant smell. It's a natural way to reduce stress, elevate your mood, and enhance relaxation. Essential oils, extracted from plants, carry powerful healing properties that can soothe both the mind and body. With just a few drops, you can transform any space into a sanctuary of peace. Before we get blended, let's look at some essential oils known for their calming effects. Lavender soothes stress and promotes deep sleep. Chamomile eases anxiety and enhances relaxation. Frankincense encourages deep breathing and mindfulness. Bergamot uplifting and reduces tension. Sandalwood grounds emotions and promotes inner peace. Now let's create some custom DIY blends. Calming Red Blend, 5 drops. Lavender, 3 drops. Chamomile, 2 drops. Sandalwood. Gentle Energy Blend, 4 drops. Orange, 3 drops. Ylang, 3 drops. Cedarwood. Stressful Blend, 4 drops. Bergamot, 3 drops. Frankincense, 3 drops. Simply mix these oils with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, or add them to a diffuser for an The best part, is to create your own signature blend. Just follow this simple formula. 1 tube of base note, vanilla, sandalwood, or depth. 2. Add a heart note, lavender, rose, ylang for balance. 3. Finish with a top note, citrus, peppermint, eucalyptus for fresh. Relaxation is just a breath away. Which blend will you try first? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Tranquility Insights. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite essential oil for relaxation?